We all know that vases are a 3D printing classic, but now we're bringing something more exciting, this incredible collab with Terra de Verdant. This collection is made of 7 vases that will definitely stand out in any home. The Havas vase, the Cario short vase, the Lensed short vase, the Jervy planter, the Cansom wave vase, the Enter vase, and the Elson planter. So this is the collaboration between SCL Flix and Terra de Verdant. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and tell me in the comments below if you like some more home decor items.